Okay, so these are my fall bins. I don't have very much. This is a large tote, and as you can see, this one has a lot of my picks and some of the items, and then that other one is a smaller one. So we're gonna get started on these fall bins. I'm so excited to share the items that I currently have with you guys. Hey guys, I'm back for another video. I have a sharing my fall totes with you guys, what I actually have in my bins. I don't have very many bins. I only have 2. I for sure thought I had probably 3, but I guess I don't. I already started picking up stuff for fall. I don't suggest you doing that. I suggest you going through your fall bins first and then picking up items, but of course I was a little anxious and started picking up stuff already. I'm gonna share the smaller bin with you guys. Okay, so I don't know if I should share how I actually organize it. There isn't any really specific way. No, I won't share that with you guys, but I have the smaller bin. I have the smaller bin I'm gonna start off with. I do have some large items. This one is a big pumpkin that says welcome friends. This one is a little bit brighter. I'm not sure if I like the writing anymore, but maybe I could. I think last year I turned it around, or maybe this year I can turn it around and put a decal on it. But I do have this one. This one used to be from TJ Maxx, and it was $14.99. I got it a couple years ago. Can you hear that? Sounds like it's broken. Anyways, this is one of my pumpkins I have. I don't really seal it with anything because I'm really careful, especially the tote. I can see through it, so I don't mind it not being wrapped. The next thing I have, which is I think a bunch of floral. Oh no, I have this like kind of galvanized bucket with a floral arrangement. I think I just shoved it in there, but I did do this decal last year. I don't know if you can really see it, but I did this decal last year and put it on here. This bucket's from Hobby Lobby. This floral arrangement thing, it was on a wreath and I took it off and I just stuck it in here. Honestly, I do have to probably fix it because it's kind of all over the place, but I have this one. I have an extra bucket like that. I think I'm gonna do something with it. I have some floral. I think these were outside. I think that's why they're so faded. Yeah, I think these ones were outside, but they're just some floral picks, and they have all kinds of like florals. I think I had mixed these. I made them, but they are faded because the sun here in Arizona eats everything. Like anything you can possibly think of, the sun will eat it and just destroy it. So some of it is faded, which I don't mind that at all. I like how the pumpkins actually look. But yeah, I did pick up this one. I have one that's a hydrangea. I used to decorate my house with these because I used to have this color, but then I just ended up putting it with like my fall stuff. I picked this one up last year. It's from Kirkland's, and it is an outdoor flag banner. Outdoor flag. Yeah, I can't even think. This one's from Kirkland's. It does have the buffalo check on the bottom, and it just has a T for our last name. And I have these for like every holiday. I always buy them at Kirkland's. I have some mats. These are just like that burnt orange, and I do go for the traditional colors, so I'll probably put these on my table this year. I still like them, just need to be ironed. I think I have a total of 4 of them, so I don't remember where I picked these up. They might have been Target. I have this fall napkin. I had a set of 4. I don't know what I did with them. They might be in my bin somewhere, but I do have 4, and normally I put this like in my tiered tray. I just kind of like set it in my tiered tray. These are not, I don't use these they're tablecloths, but I don't really use them. I use them when we have Thanksgiving and we set the food out and, you know, we need just some table covers. This one is just like a tan and then that burnt orange color. This one's a rectangle one, and then this one's a circle one, because I do have an outdoor circle table, so I normally use these. They just need to be ironed, and like I said, this one is a circle one. I think this one I picked up at Walmart last year. So that is one of my bins. And also these pumpkins, I picked up these recently from Kirkland's. I picked them up in July, I want to say, and these were $197 on clearance plus an additional, I think it was 25% off. So now they're gonna come in handy because it was just July, maybe it was June, and then now I need them for October. For my second bin, I have a whole bunch of florals and a whole bunch of picks. So I'll share those with you guys. I know these are new. These are definitely new because they still have the tag. I want to say I picked these up after fall, and these were $2.99, but I want to say I picked them up 90% off or maybe like 80% off. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby, and they're just kind of like that wheat, and they look really nice. A couple other items I picked up on clearance were these. I'm not sure if I'll use these. Maybe I could give these to my niece. Are these leaves right here. They're kind of like the lighter leaves, and I picked these up from Target on clearance, and yeah, like I said, she could probably use these. If not, then maybe I'll just keep them, and they're just some, you know, picks. So normally I bag everything in like Ziplocs like this, and I just put like my picks and stuff like that in here. So I always put stuff in Ziploc bags. These I know I picked up on clearance from Hobby Lobby. They're these longer ones. They are longer picks, and I just bent them, but they do maybe can go in a longer vase. But these ones are really long, pretty, and colorful. I don't even know what they are, but I know I picked these ones up from Hobby Lobby on clearance, as well as this one. These are definitely from Hobby Lobby, and I picked these up on clearance, and they're just really like reddish leaves. But yeah, I always find my floral and my leaves and stuff like that on clearance, and then use them for the following year. Okay, these picks, I know that I want to say these ones were from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure though. I have some picks. Some are from Dollar Tree and some are from Hobby Lobby. I can't really remember which ones are which. These are more neutral tones. I knew I had picks. I just didn't know how many I had, because then I have some more and some more. Yeah, so I have a whole bunch of picks. Let me get the pumpkins out of the way because I have some big ones. I have this one from Target. This one's from Target. I have a burlap one. I just wrapped them in trash bags. And this one is a blue one. I normally use this for my husband's bathroom. I have some felt pumpkins from Target, and they're just different colors. I have some pumpkins I made last year, and these were for my bedroom because I decorate in gray and pink. So these ones I made last year. This pumpkin's out for Thanksgiving again at Hobby Lobby, yes. It's just gray ticking with the white. Another burlap pumpkin. Some more felt pumpkins. These little small pumpkins are from Walmart, and they're just kind of like styrofoam ones you can place here and there. I have some wood shaped little pumpkins and leaves from Target Dollar Spot. Maybe this year I'll actually be able to do decals on them. So yeah, I do have these. Do have some Dollar Tree little pumpkins. We all love these. I have this from Hobby Lobby, and it's just a pumpkin, ceramic pumpkin. They do still have this one out. I know that for sure. This pumpkin is from the 99-cent only store. This one's from Kirkland's. It's like that carved one and it's really pretty. Normally it's $6.99. I probably didn't pay $6.99. I always buy them on sale. I have some Target pumpkins. I don't know how many pumpkins I need, but apparently I need this many. Some more Target pumpkins. Another little small pumpkin from Kirkland's and it says be grateful. These metal signs I actually found on clearance last year. They were 75% off and I picked them up from Kirkland's. This one says pumpkin patch and it's galvanized, and then this one says hay rides. So those were from Kirkland's last year. Let's start off with some wood signs or little wood pieces. I have this autumn greetings. This one was from Hobby Lobby. This one says my favorite season is pumpkin spice. This one's from Target Dollar Spots. I have this plate from, I believe this is Kohl's, and this says good food. I love putting this out for Thanksgiving. I have this little wood sign I did make on my channel here, and I'll link that below for you guys or in the iCards. I have a Dollar Tree sign that says bless our home, and then this little Kirkland. I have some Target wood signs. I have this pumpkin. It's just white and looks like shiplap kind of. And then I have this one that says pumpkin patch and hay rides, apple cider and corn maze from the Target Dollar Spot last year. I do have this little sign from TJ Maxx. It says fall in love. This one is from Kirkland's. It just says hello fall, and you can hang this up. I do have this wood little sign from TJ Maxx, Marshalls. It's from Marshalls I picked it up for $12.99, and this one was really popular last year, but yeah, I just picked up this one. I have some little Dollar Tree little scarecrows that I pick up every year. I'm not sure if they're coming out with them this year, but I have the little boy and the little girl, and yeah, I love to use these in my display, as well as this Dollar Tree little hello fall pumpkin. Another pumpkin from Dollar Tree. This was a candy dish from Target Dollar Spot years ago, and it's just really pretty and I love that. I do have this little scarecrow from Hobby Lobby, and I need to pick up the little boy, but yes, I've had her for a couple years and I just love her. She's like part of the family apparently. I have this DIY I made with Dollar Tree items, and again in the iCards I'll link it below if you're interested. This little pedestal is from the 99-cent only, and it has a pumpkin, and I can definitely display some of my done items on this. So I have these two little scarecrows from a Dollar Tree. I love picking these up. And then I also have the boy and the girl, and then I have this set was from a couple years ago, and it's the boy and girl, and I like picking these up during the holidays, and I don't know if they're gonna come out with these this year. I have some more little picks and pumpkins and straw bales from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. Picture frame from Kirkland's I found on clearance. It says cutest pumpkin in the patch, and I'll be using that this year. Some Dollar Tree little votive candles containers. I don't know what to call it. I have another outdoor flag from Kirkland's, and this one has a T and a pumpkin. It's really nice with the polka dots. Like I said, I always find them on clearance. I do have a couple table mats. One is this one from Kohl's, and then this one from Kohl's as well. And I have a banner from Target from the Threshold line. It just has leaves, and I can't turn it around. Just has the leaves, and it's just a banner. I found some little fall pumpkins from Hobby Lobby, and I must have picked these up on clearance. I have some towels. These just have like wreaths on them with the maple leaves, and yeah, these are I think I found these on clearance, but these are the only towels, so I'll definitely have to pick up towels. And that is it for my fall items in my totes. I do have a lot of floral, so I need to cut back on buying more floral, and some leaves. I don't really need any more, and I definitely do not need any more pumpkins. So yeah, that is it. I do have some outdoor stuff that is in the garage, but they're just like cement pumpkins, and I'm not gonna take those out. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys in another one. Bye.